Yep, there's one.
What?
There was one back there. So, do you see the house?
Oh my god, I saw it.
You saw it? I told you! Why'd you go back?
I didn't believe you.
Behind you.
But
Is that Kelvin?
hey.
Oh my god! He scared the crap out of me. Wow! That was so rude. Poor little Kelvin alone. To your left!
Jesus Christ. After that long.
Are you
Right here.
eating? Are you eating or something?
Yeah.
Figured when you didn't respond. Take that log! Take it! I can't figure out why I can't remove these!
Thanks, man. But like, I have some fish. I have 3.
Oh, I will take that because this is not working out.
Yeah, Mudman, you motherfucker. Right in the ass, man.
Oh, Jesus. Mud guy.
Skin pouch on this side.
I'm full.
Look at him twerk, dude. Oh.
Do you want to help me, like, move all of these closer?
Why don't you just throw them to me, and then I can throw them up.
Smart. Then there's somebody there.
But still cut them all.
Try throwing them a little higher. You gotta get better at catching.
I'm catching them. The man fell. Oh my god, the bird.
Oh, okay, that was the bird, not you.
like all three hit this little tiny yellow bird.
Did I
It's
just put
funny.
another
It's the same one. It's
one?
overkill. Oh god.
Sorry, little bird. I'm so sorry. Um, Actually, if I throw it straight on, it should hit the wall, so it won't hit you. There you go. So, if I throw it straight on, you should be able to catch it without it hitting you.
I hit both times. You lied.
I thought they went sideways. See? Oh!
Hit me in the face. Ah, god damn it. I'm gonna take some meds.
Oh my god! Why didn't you just build a holder up there so I could throw it into the holder?
Stop throwing shit at me and I'll do it.
Do you need me to throw you some sticks?
No. No. You bitch!
Oh my god! Oh!
What the fuck?
I have passive racks.
No,
Oh my
kill me,
god.
get it back!
Ooh.
I knocked him down.
Oh my god. Oh, that's right, he's getting logs! Alright, go take a break, bud. You haven't brought a single log over here, okay? How many logs do you need?
A lot. Because we also have to make the floor.
Okay. Ow! Can you relax?
Is it hanging out on the ledge for you?
Yep. Wait, I got it. Watch out. Bye. It's the river.
Oh, where's it going?
Got him. I wonder if we can take their head. Oh, bye.
Will you get pissed off if I get in the water? Hey, come back, asshole.
I have like 7 in there.
Guys, get back in the water. You know you're not supposed to be out of the water. Come on now.
Yeah, I don't think they're getting aggroed. That's so weird. Hi, bud.
Literally the shark. No!
Oh, bye!
And back in the water it goes. Oh, there goes a shark over there. Oh, and behind us.
Yeah, I just copied and pasted and hit enter like 10 times.
Well, at least we're releasing them in their natural habitat.
Exactly. Whatever they do after that, their life.
Goodbye, guys.
They're literally just flying around, dude. We'll go shred your chicken.
Some
Ooh, look
shredder.
at you!
Oh, turn direction real
Oh, he
fast.
turned!
Where we going, buddy?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Where we going, buddy? I have to walk with them. Like, I don't automatically ride with them. Oh. Oh. We keep turning direction so fast. Where we going? I don't want to go in the water. Oh no.
You
At
attacked
the
me
bridge.
last time.
At the bridge. Yes, go up, 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 up. Damn it.
This is very entertaining to watch. Maybe open your inventory. Like open the like hold I and open that inventory. Maybe it'll keep you on there. Nope, 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 nope. No!
God damn it. Come back. Watch out for the lake.
There's no road here.
Yeah, go left. Go left.
The lake.
Go.
I'm trying to. I was trying to get
No
out of the way of the
road
lake.
The machine knows.
Oh.
Wow, that thing just said fuck you. This room.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Hey. Don't mind us.
Sorry.
He's just walking away.
So off to the bunker?
Ah! Help.
Did you get knocked down?
I'm stuck in the floor. Ah! Help! I'm still falling. Pull up like some planks so I can go that way.